Mommy, I can't see you. Happy birthday, dear Megan. Happy birthday to you.
Huh? You were gonna save it. All done.
Happy, it's in my room.
Huh? It's in my room.
Okay.
Get the next one.
You want that present over there? That's from Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Buzz, you're right. Who did he get?
Thank you for it. She sees it.
And this face goes.
Here, we went down today down to Santa Claus.
Here's the
Everybody
card.
coloring book,
Yeah.
and we went to get a hot dog afterwards.
It's
And I
teddy
said,
bear.
"He wants a present."
It's
Somebody
what?
got a present.
It's a teddy bear.
Is there a teddy bear on there? Will you read it
He
to you?
already got a present.
It says you're 3.
It's like sweet.
And it says, Kirby is smiling because he's glad as he can be to bring you this wish on the day that you're 3. Happy 3rd birthday from Kirby Cola. Wait a minute. Oh no.
Amy, don't. Let her.
It's teddy bear. Teddy bear.
What's it say? Listen.
Is it a radio, Megan?
It's teddy bear.
No.
It is.
What'd I buy you?
What you got?
Well, if it is, you better try to get him out of there.
How do you know? You haven't seen it yet.
Get him out of there.
If you can. Amy.
What do they call it?
You don't want to know?
Huh? I don't want to play with it.
What do they call it?
A-G. A-G. Yeah. Letter A, letter G.
Get out. Christopher,
No,
get out.
they can watch now.
Hi.
Get out of here. I want her to talk.
Christopher, you cannot play with it.
Grab both of you.
I know. I got baby. Oh. Baby bear.
There's a covering on the top too.
Why come out? You got baby bear.
Hi, Meg.
It's baby bear.
Talk to him.
Boy.
Set him down in front of you, Megan.
What's your name?
Christopher.
My name is Chris.
Put him down and look at him now. There, look at him and talk to him. Right there. What'd he say?